Alright, we're just going to go over the 3 different mobilizations that are mentioned in the blog post. These are going to be for shoulder pain, to help with mobility, overhead lifts, stuff like that. The first one's actually going to be for the mid back and upper back. You can use a PVC pipe or a foam roller or anything like that. And we're doing it outside because it's really nice out today. So the idea is to just let your back sink down and kind of extend like that. The goal is to help with overhead movements. If your shoulders are too rounded, it's tough to get the arms overhead. So while you're here, you can reach back with one arm, get some extension, go down a level or two, get some extension, and just move up and down for a minute or two like that. If you don't want to use a PVC pipe, sometimes a lacrosse ball or tape 2 balls together for a peanut works really well. The spine goes in the inside here, and then both sides out there kind of mobilize each segment. So again, you would do the same thing right in the middle of the back. You can do arm movements, moving up and down, let it sink in a little bit just to work on that overhead positioning. All right, the next one is going to be to work on some of the lat and the subscap, the one rotator cuff that causes internal rotation. So if that muscle is tight, it's going to cause the rounded shoulders along with the lat that helps pull down and keeps you in this position here. So then you can't pull the shoulders back either. And that one is going to be a little bit uncomfortable. You're going to be on your side, and you're going to put it kind of in the meaty, the flesh that you can grab there, right on the outside of your shoulder blade. And again, same thing. You're just looking for spots that are tender, uncomfortable. If you find a spot, you can let it sink in a little bit. You're gonna work that area for a minute or two. It's gonna help hopefully release some of those muscles and let the shoulders sink back a little bit. You can work all the way from down here to up where they insert underneath the arm. And then the last one is gonna be to work the main part of the rotator cuff, which originates and back here in the shoulder blade and then comes around to the front. And so the idea is you're gonna put a lot of pressure and mobilize back into that section right there where the muscles and tendons are. For this one, again, you'll be on your side, just placing the ball a little bit different spot. Let it sink in. And then you can add this movement here, which is known as internal rotation. So you're trying to smash and work the external rotators and bringing them into internal rotation. Essentially, you're stretching the muscle while you're smashing it. Hang out here a couple minutes. You can bring it back, forward again, however you feel like you can hit that spot best. So those are the 3 that are mentioned, just to help with general shoulder pain, and give them a try.